Good morning, children. I hope all are fine. Now we are come to the end of the first day. Okay. Today we have to start revision. Question patterns. First, write the meanings in English. Gajar. What's the meaning of gajar? Already you learned. Gajar, carrot. Gajar, carrot. Adarak. Say the answer. Adarak, ginger. Adarak, English meaning ginger. Then lal, sun. Lal, what's the English meaning? Lal, sun. Upavan, garden. Upavan, garden. Keel, nail. Keel, nail. Kisan, farmer. Titli, butterfly. Say the answer. Titli, butterfly. Mali, gardener. Kachua, tortoise. Kachua, tortoise. Sabun, soap. Kursi, chair. What's the meaning of kursi? Chair. Gudiya, doll. Gudiya, doll. Vriksh, vriksh, tree. Trin, grass. Mrig, deer. Once more. Listen. What's the meaning of gajar? Carrot. Carrot. Adarak, ginger. Lal, sun. Are you studying these words? Yes or no? Yes. Upavan, garden. Do you remember these words? Gajar, carrot, adarak, ginger, lal, sun, upavan, garden. This is from lesson 2. A ki matra. From the matra a and a. Next. Keel. What is the meaning of keel? Nail. Nail. Kisan, farmer. Kisan, farmer. Titli, butterfly. Butterfly. Mali, gardener. Gardener. Next, Kachua. These words are from E and E. Keel, nail. Kisan, farmer. Titli, butterfly. Mali, gardener. Next, Kachua. What is the meaning of Kachua? Tortoise. Tortoise. Sabun, soap. Sabun meaning soap. Kursi, chair. Kursi, chair. Next, Gudiya, doll. What's the meaning of Gudiya? Doll. Next, Vriksh, tree. Trin, grass. Mrig, deer. Mrig, deer. Next is write the plurals of. These are singular words. Then you must write its plural form. Bacha, bacha. What's the plural form? Bache. What's the meaning of bache? Children. Child, children. Bacha, bache. Machli, मछलियाँ, मछली, Machliyan. What is the meaning of machli? Fish, fishes. Next, ledki, girl. Ledkiya, girls. Ledkiya. In the plural form, we should write the E matra from the left of this letter. No, machli, E ki matra here, machliya. When you write machliya, plural form, you write the E matra is right here. Machli, machliya, ledki, ledkiya. Look at the matras. E, ledki, ledkiya. Understood? Next, juta, jute. Juta, juta means shoes. Shoe, chappal, chappals. Next, chudi, bangle. Chudi, plural form is chudiya. 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 Once more, bachcha, bachche. Machli, machliya, ledki, ledkiya, juta, jute, chudi, chudiya. Next word is kursi. Kursi, kursiya. Kursi, kursiya. Ledka, ledke. Ledka, ledke. Chuha, chuhe. Chabi, chabi meaning key. Chabiya, chabiya. Nadi, nadiya. Nadi, nadiya. Once more I read. Bachcha, bachche. Machli, machliya. Ledki, ledkiya. Juta, jute. Chudi, chudiya. Kursi, kursiya. Ledka, ledke. Chuha, chuhe. Chabi, chabiya. Nadi, nadiya. Next is write the Hindi word. Elephant. What's the Hindi word? Say elephant. Gaj. Gaj. Gaj mane elephant. Next is carrot. Carrot. Gajar. Gajar. Carrot. Gajar. Next, fort. What is the Hindi word of fort? Kila. Kila. Next, nail. Keel. Nail. Keel. Tortoise. Kachua. Kachua. Soap, sabun. Soap, mane sabun. What is the meaning of sabun? English word soap and Hindi word sabun. House, grih. Grih. Look here, irki matra, grih. Deer, mrg. Mrg. This is uki matra. Then this is irki matra. Next is match the following. Say the answer. Greh. Which one is the correct word? Greh. House. Greh. House. Next. Sabun. Soap. Sabun. Soap. Upavan meaning garden. Kisan, farmer. Chair, kursi. Kursi, chair. I hope all are understood. Next, look at the picture. Then read the question. Identify the picture and write the word. Identify the picture and write the word. Look at the picture. Say the answer. Gajar. What is this? Gajar. Then look here. Titeli. 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 Understood? Next is write the word correctly. Here there are some words. These are in misspelled. Here there is a word machili. This is a wrong spelled word, isn't it? Then machili. Then you should write the correct form. Machili. 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 This is wrong. Machili. Correct. Cha. Machili. Next. Kabutar. This is wrong. U. Kabutar. Kabutar. Not U ki matra. U ki matra. Kabutar. Next word is, read the word mrig. This is strong spell word mrig. How we write? Mriga. Mrig. This is the correct letter. Mrig. Next, kachua. Write the correct word. Kachu. Kachu. Kachua. This word is, this letter is wrong. Kachua. Once more. Machli, kabutar, mrig, kachua. Once more. Machli, kabutar, boo, kabutar, mrig. Next word, kachua. Next question is, write two words with the given matras. Given matras. Write two words with the given matras. Look at the letter. This is ir ki matra. Ir. All of you learned ir ki matra. Which one is the ir ki matra? This is ir ki matra. Isn't it? Ir. This is the symbol of ir. Ir ki matra. Read the question. Write two words with the given matras. Ir ki matra. Using ir ki matra, you have to write two words. Which are they? Say the answer. Mrig. Mrig. Then another word. Grih. 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 Understood? Ir ki matra. Mrig. Grih. Next. Like that. Next question is U ki matra. U ki matra. U. This is the U ki matra. U. U അടയാളം ഇതാണ്. This is the U ki matra. Say any two words from U ki matra. One is sabun. Sabun mane, sabun meaning soap. Sabu. U ki matra undo. Sabun. Next is kachua. 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 Next, E की मात्रा. E की मात्रा. E की मात्रा. This is E की मात्रा. E. Say any two words. E की मात्रा. One is की. Say another word. की. Say another word. माली. 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 Look here. की. ली. माली. Using E की मात्रा, there are two words. They are keel and mali. Keel meaning nail, mali gardener. Okay. Next is U की मात्रा. How we write U? U की मात्रा. This is U की मात्रा. Say any two words. U की मात्रा. कबूतर. 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 And the word chudi. What is the meaning of chudi? Bangle. Chudi. Kabootar. Chudi. Next, A की मात्रा. A की मात्रा. Here I write A. A की मात्रा. गाजर. गा. This is A की मात्रा. गा. गाजर. Gajar meaning carrot. Gajar. Next, say another word. Gajar. Say another word. लाल. लाल माने sun. लाल. गा. ला. गा. ला. गाजर. लाल. Next, A की मात्रा. A की मात्रा has no symbol. Symbols ഒന്നുമില്ല. There is no symbols. Then how we write? Kamal. Kamal. Here, any matras? No. Kamala. Kamal. A की मात्रा have no symbols. Kamal. Nal. Kamal. Nal. Okay. Ir की मात्रा using ir की मात्रा two words. मृग ग्रह. मृग ग्रह. U साबुन कछुआ. E कील माली. U कबूतर चूड़ी. What is the meaning of चूड़ी? Bangle. Next, A की मात्रा गाजर लाल. A की मात्रा कमल नल. कमल नल. Okay. Next is fill in the blanks by choosing the right word from the brackets. Here, some words are here. Work, upavan, hay, adarak. Choose the correct answer. Dasharath dash खाता था. दशरथ dash खाता था. दशरथ क्या खाता था? अदरक. अदरक. अदरक खाता था. Next question. दशरथ dash गया. दशरथ कहाँ गया? उपावन. Second answer is upavan. Upavan. From the grammar side, there are two questions. Dash लटका है. Already you learned this When a simple word comes here, ends with he. When the sentence begins with wo, ends with he. Already learned. Ek and wo is a singular word. Singular word. Ek and wo and ek are singular words. Then we use he. Here, then say the answer. Yeh चाबी है. एक चाबी है. वह लड़का है. यह चाबी है. यह चाबी है. Next, join the letters and make the words. These are your question patterns. Okay. Join the letters and make words. Just join the letters. Ka plus ma plus la. Kamal. Kamal. Next. Pa plus wa plus na. Pawan. E plus tha plus ra. Ether. Very simple. You can write. Like this. Kamal, Pawan, Ether. Next is questions. Answer the following questions. कौन नाच दिखाती थी? कौन नाच दिखाती थी? Who was dancing? गुड़िया नाच दिखाती है. गुड़िया नाच दिखाती है. Was dancing? गुड़िया. गुड़िया means doll. Doll was dancing. Okay. Next question. कौन चूड़ी पहनती थी? Who wear the bangle? Who? पूजा चूड़ी पहनती थी. पूजा चूड़ी पहनती थी. Who wear the bangle? पूजा. पूजा wear the bangle. Next. Third question. भालू का नाम क्या था? What's the name of that bear? भालू का नाम राम था. भालू का नाम राम था. The name of that bear was राम. कौन नदी में गिर गया? कौन नदी में गिर गया? Who fell into the river? चूहा नदी में गिर गया. कौन? चूहा. चूहा rat. Rat fell into the river. Next question. ऋषि कहाँ रहता था? Where did the ऋषि live? ऋषि वन में रहता था. ऋषि lived in forest. कौन ऋषि की कुटिया में रहती थी? कौन ऋषि की कुटिया में रहती थी? सीता ऋषि की कुटिया में रहती थी. कौन? सीता. Who lives in the Rishi's hut? Who? Sita. Sita lived with Rishi's hut. Next, मृग क्या खाता था? What's the meaning of मृग? Deer. Deer. मृग क्या खाता था? मृग तृण खाता था. What's the meaning of तृण? Grass. Next, your first term portion is over. Then this is your portion. Matra parije. A, E, U, and Ir. These today we learned the question patterns. Then all of you study well. Okay.